Welcome to the Creatives Unplugged podcast. I'm your host, Umhligo. Sila Movius Media at the sales waterfront. Sinibingelele siphinde sinamukele ningakhohlwa ukuya lapha ku YouTube and press like and subscribe. Niyazi ke nani every day sihlale sihleli nama creatives unplug ama creatives. Ayibo. Namhlanje nginiphathele i-artist, nginiphathele i-gospel singer, a pop singer, a jazz singer, mamukele ngehlombe elikhulu Nelisi. Uyaphila kodwa masikhosana?
Ngiyaphila kunjani futhi?
Siyakwamukela Creative Unplugged podcast. Welcome.
Ngiyabonga. Thank you so much. Sengicishe ngathi ngiyakwamukela.
Ushilo vele wathi uzomhosta la.
Sorry.
Siyabonga. Mhlawumbe nje kosibukele njengamanje nosilalele awubatshela ukuthi uphuma kephi nendawo igama nesibongo isigodi la uqhamuka khona.
Okay, igama lami nguNelisizwe, Sibonga kwaSikhosana. Originally I'm from Mpumalanga, endaweni ebizwa ngeEmelo. Emelo, yes, but currently I reside here in Durban.
Nice.
Yep.
Okay, nendawo la eThekwini.
Hlala kwaMasha.
KaMasha sinqanqawini.
Yeah.
Hayibo, homeline. Ayisiyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Ngiyabona lapha ukuthi umsebenzi usuwenzile moningi, siyabonga. Uqale nini lo msebenzi usase primary vele? Usafunda esikoleni?
Ekhaya bathi ngazalwa ngikhala.
Serious?
Yeah, but I always tell them I would be ngikhala. Just didn't get it bengicula.
Ubucula.
Yeah.
Hayibo phela wonke umuntu uzalwe ekhala.
Cha, nanikhala nina konje phela konke.
Okhala ngenothi.
Lalela. So all my life I don't remember a time where I wasn't singing.
Yeah.
So I've been singing all my life.
Yeah.
I can't say I remember a time where I started.
Ubufunda ke Brenda primary school.
Wafunda wonke.
Mangaka.
Igama lami nguNelisizwe.
Oh, Sizwe.
Yeah, go mention it.
Swa mention.
So ngaqala ePhumulo Primary School.
Yes.
Did grade 1 and then grade 2 I went to Music Funny Primary School was in Esikhaweni.
Yeah.
Then grade 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 I went back to Umsebe Primary School. Umsebe Primary School.
Oh, Umsebe. Because eMlazi sinaso isikole primary school kuthiwa isemsebe khona.
Oh, wow. Nangibuye.
Kuyafana.
Mesh. Yes.
And then kuseMpumalanga zonke le ikolo oyibalayo and then
it was Mpumalanga and I went to Mpangeni and then back to
ubuhlala nabazali bobabili umama nobaba. Cool.
Ngikhuliswa ama single parents.
Oh, yeah.
Both present ngendlela zabo ezihlukile.
Oh, yes. And then qeda ke primary high school.
Kai high school. Now wafuna ngoba le wonke.
Maningi nawo futhi.
Awulalela.
Yes.
I went to Ermelo War School.
Okay.
And then I went to Mdlamfe, Sempangeni. Then ngaqedelela Lindile Secondary School back home.
So how was life at high school? Uyila uqale khona usubona ukuthi ayinge creative content ehlanganayo with music. Mhlawumbe with acting khona into okawayenza mhlawumbe noma sports.
Sports, I played netball.
Oh,
used
nice.
to play netball. I was good.
Yeah.
Ngangigijima. Ngayekela ngenkathi ngishiwa umunye ugeli.
What give up?
Alela ngathi ake ngishoti mina.
Oy ushota.
Ngeke ngiyabona ukuthi ngeke isangilungela lena. But ukucula I started high school ngase ngicula ngisho njengoba ngithi ngade ngicula.
Yes.
Kodwa mangingene high school mina ngase sengiyiphathi praise and worship team.
All right.
The age of 13.
Yes.
So nakhona nganginogiga ngibizwe ngicula emshadweni.
Nice.
Bonke la bantu engangicula emshadweni wabo. Cela niphinde ningikhumbule manibuka la video ngikhokhela. So throughout ngicula nama choir isikole.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Ushaya do re mi fa so fa mi re do re mi fa so fa mi re do re mi fa so fa mi re do. Ubushaya iphi soprano or alto?
I did primary, high school, I did first alto. First alto and second alto sometimes.
Yeah. And then more uphuma ke high school, you went to tertiary or?
I had a gap year. I'm going to upgrade and then I went to
University?
Yeah.
Oh, gap nenda.
I went to UKZN Howard.
Oh, yeah, Howard. Hayi, ukhanga mpela yazulawo lana kala.
Igama lami uNelisizwe.
Uwenzani Howard?
Ngangenza music.
Music.
Yes.
Okay.
Music. I did jazz.
Oh, jazz, yes. Mhlawumbe masinganika ama creatives angazi ukuthi if use university or technicon and then you're doing music yini nenzani nicule whole day noma kufundwa ama notes noma khona indlela ongabachazela ngayo if you study music yes
kuhlukile there's history
there's history of music
yes the history of music
amaqhawe lawa amadala ama legends
yes from way back there's also we have ensembles also lama genre ahlukile ngithi khona benza pop khona benza choral khona benza opera mina ngenza jazz kunama ensembles kunama classes ahlukile improvisation class there's harmony there's theory so kuningi it's not just ukuthi every day thina do re mi fa so la
what about some instruments maybe playing guitar or ama keys keyboard
so as a vocalist because I'm a vocalist as a vocalist kwakubalulekile ukuthi ufunde basic piano so did keyboard tech so that you know where you are and what you're doing
nice ish so isikhona iskill esikhona
kona kuyabambeka okubambekayo ngingakubambela uDogo ungayithola ngaphuma nengoma phakathi
okay and then nje ususe tertiary mhlawumbe waphuma wasebenza anywhere music wise or that's when your career started mhlawumbe ke waqala ke waba out there
even kwakhona esikoleni kwakunama kunezinto esizenzayo mhlawumbe I remember nje ngingingxenye ye jazz jol
oh nice
yes and they do ama jazz appreciations so we're part of those sometimes uzoba negig mhlawumbe uthisha kubizile ukuthi okay la uyahamba uyocula ngoba mina ngicula gospel and you get backing gigs then I have people that are also backed and church also
ukhonza ke usakhonza on the same church noma from your background lesonto uqala ukhonza ke nendawo
ngikhule ngikhonza Church of Christ
okay
kasuke Church of Christ kay Faith Mission Faith Mission nakhona ngoba phela sekhaya uma ngikhaya then this side manje ngise Discovery Church
nice and khona wonke lamasonto futhi uyacula
ngiyacula khona la ngabaleka khona ukucula ngabaleka nje ngathi ngifuna ukuthi bazi ukuthi ngiyacula ngifika kulelo sonto ngicela ukwenza isound
isound wow
kodwa bangibambe ekugcineni ngatholakala ukuthi
ulapha kuyinto behind the scene
ngangilekelela phela ngisho ngilapha kwisound masahleli lapha khona umzalwane wayengekho that day and imic la so I sang from the desk then ngathi hayibo
hawu
balocula
come up le voice
ngase ngiyaxoshwa ke diskini
ngathi ngena la
siyabonga usevile la
so injanje experience for someone osibukela ukuthi when you work with the church choir how is the experience indlela ekusuke kuyiyona mhlawumbe kube nama days ikhathi zokupractice how is the experience ukusebenza church choir
kubalulekile ukuthi if uzoba creative whatever that you do I think isonto foundation right you will learn a lot of things at church you will learn how to work with people you will work discipline time it's like your mini platform or mini stage
exercise
yes you have a stage every Sunday when you get a chance to perform every Sunday so you will grow whether you're singing or you at the back or you ushering or whatever that you're doing you get to experience people every now and then that is preparing you for the world right so with me experience yesonto I carry it till this day this is how I deal with people because ngahlangana nabazalwane nabazalwane ba strong bazokuqeqesha ngahlangana nabazalwane so life now is much easier because of
background
yes experience yes
I can imagine cabanga ukucula every Sunday ugcina proper ivoice yakho noma kuthiwa ibila iyakhula
uzogcina ujwayele ukuthi not everyone will be moved uzojwayele ukuthi there are people who just stare at you so when you get to big stages if somebody is sitting right in front of you is not moving at all life goes on you have learned this that not that mhlamba akakuzwa or that feel some people angathula nje akulalela kanti uyakuzwa umunye uzothula bamthathe phikelo yebo so these are things I've learned and anyone else can learn ngaye sontweni uzofunda okuningi
cha mina ngi-excited ukuthi une platform every time
every Sunday
mhlawumbe futhi kube indawo enivakashelayo or let's say umzalwane othize une-event ayenzayo so you guys can go and sing ama-weddings different events khona ama-events anike nawo ahamba kanjalo amanye azanikomelisa ngemali
semaningi kabi njengoba ngisho ukuthi nalabo kade ngaqala ngacela emshadweni yabo semaningi from your 21st
yeah
even funerals
oh yes
unveilings wonke la yabo ugiga ngiqale ngabo abazalwane ngiqale ngake esontweni ukuthi okay umzalwane thizini uyashada uyaphila cela ungisize ngokuthi
yeah
ngaqala lapho ukukhokhelwa mina ukuthi ngicule emshadweni ngizokhokhelwa
nice. Asizwe ukuthi bebekhokhelana mhlawumbe nomunye wayibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela awusithi nje ngomuco wodwa noma emibili emithathu sike sithi ukuvuma nje
sekuvuma mina
anything uvuma wena
ngizokhokhela
cabanga ngoba ekugcineni usazophinda uperforme la usumile kamnandi but manje ngifuna sibathi nje gaga
yo khona iculo olithandayo ongathanda ngenze el-gospel
ngifuna el-come from wena ngoba mina ngizothi ngiyasho ngivele ngisho elinye iculo ongalazi
awuzame ngibo
Sacabanga uthi ngicabanga khona icweni icabanga guys esandleni
iya la
eliphi icweni
okay I'll do it
okay
esandleni somusa esandleni somusa ngiyagcinwa noma kungathini esandleni somusa
what that was nice yo ivoice yakho ayi yabona uma uyizwa live ngathi mnandi kakhulu angithi bengileke ngidlala ingoma zakho ngiphinde ngikulalele lapha nge-audition nakulezi zinto esizokhuluma ngazo lapha kuma competition yabona manje wangizwa live ngavele nje hayibo ay siyabonga so yes asihlale kuyona ijourney yakho so udiscover kanjani noma bakudiscover kanjani noma ungene kanjani ezintweni uzobe i-artist esilibonayo siyabona ukuthi usuka sebenza neJoyous so kuqale kanjani konke
kona kade kwaqala sengizobala lokhu
qaqa ama-highlights yes
I auditioned for a competition a GID Gospel Icon Discovery Masipala weTheku
oh yes
Jehova muhle ngawina ngawina
abeke blawo ma-auditions
there were was a Stable Theatre mina auditioned at Stable Theatre it was the last day of auditions when I went audition was top something I went to top 10 top 3 and yeah
take us through ibinjani lo experience nje because mhlawumbe benibaningi
sasibaningi imagine abantu baseThekwini there's so much talent in Durban no one lies so there were a lot of us and to be honest I never thought I would win that was the first time I was entering a competition and I won and also the people that I was with sacula ingane zabantu but angazi ngicabanga ukuthi ngizowina kodwa ke ngoba iBhayibheli lithi yonke into inesikhathi sayo so ngawina ke ekuwineni ke emva kwaloko ngase ke kuvuleka amanye amathuba
nice
yes
so bekuno position 1 noma bakhona abanye
top 3 yeah everyone was getting a prize
okay
number 3 got a prize number 2 number 1
imabla uma prize for number 3
Ngece.
Number 2.
Ngece.
Okay, number 1.
It was money and record album.
What? Yes. Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ngoba phela iyona into yakuplaga le yakufaka
entweni.
And then cishe ngabuza usikwa kweyimalini but no. Kodwa ngiyacela Nkosi ungangibuzi ke lo
ungangibuzi.
Yayikhona.
Yayimali. Kwaku 50,000 ngeke ngingasho.
Alright, because vele out there ngibone
It is out there, yes.
Yeah. So ama judges abekhona abobani mhlawumbe na selectwa kanjani?
Judges kwakumama Xolisa Dlamini, Pastor Khaya and Dr. Lindela Mkhize.
Yeah.
Yeah, so angazi kwenzakalani because I remember that day I had flu also Besides the flu, my voice was crack. So when I left and I heard that I won, I went home and I prayed and I said, Lord, man, this was you. I couldn't have done it. Mina zazingikhalela blind. I could barely sing. Even when I listened to that video, I'm like, yo, but this is God. On my own, I couldn't have done it. Yeah.
So, and then you did an album after?
Yeah, I did an EP.
EP?
Yes. It has 5 songs. It was released December 13.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Ikhona nje online mhlawumbe
Yes,
enye ama tracks uzosiperformela wona today.
Okay, ngizongibhadala yes ikhona.
Uthanda. Yeah, so we uyiqopha le EP la eThekwini noma somewhere in Joburg.
I did everything here. Actually, it was supposed to be an EP launch, but I had a live recording at the Devon Playhouse. The live recording was on the 5th of December.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and the EP Onake was released on the 13th.
All right.
Ikhona ngicela niyilalele.
Hayi sizoyiphusha ngempela. Isihloko sayo sithini?
Kuvela kuwe.
Kuvela kuwe.
Kuvela kuwe.
Hayi ke khule ungasabi. So ifaka ngisho la bayibona kuyimanje.
Ngiyabona bayibona.
So and then ke uyishaya EP went uyosebenza neJoyous after ukuyena ngithi.
Yes.
So yonke leyo process ihambe kanjani? Kuvela kwathiwa nje shona kweJoyous noma khona obe leader this.
Lutho mina ngathi ngihlele.
Management.
Ngathi ngihlelele mina endlini mina.
Yeah.
Ngathola phone call mina. Ngabuza ukuthi uyathanda na?
What?
Ngase ngiyabuza mina ukuthi mengithanda mhlawumbe ukuthi ngithanda ngoba kuza ama Easter. Noma kwathiwa kuzoba kuwena ngani ukuthi ungathanda ngase ngathi Jehova omkhulu.
Oh ma.
Ngase ngajoyina kanjalo kuJoyous. So I think it was an opportunity evela from the competition. I was recognized from the competition.
So it's Joyous 28.
Yes, Joyous 28.
All right.
Yes.
So nakhona futhi kune music esenoqophile or any performances ovela thatha ikhwama amuva wayo nahlala somewhere ke maybe Joburg.
No. The live recording at 28 yenzeke last year around March during ama Easters.
Yeah.
So we went for rehearsals, Hall of Fab.
Nice.
And then mina ngisahlala eThekwini. Ngahamba ngaya kuma rehearsals, ngabuya.
eGoli.
Yes, eGoli ama rehearsals. Excuse me. And then ngabuya kwa recordwa ke. Mina ngaqhubeka ngahlala la.
So first impression nje ubona iJoyous neteam yakhona nawo ama singers wafila kanjani?
Ukhuluma iqiniso. I think ngilabantu abafila later.
Oh, wavele nje wangena sikhokho wake you right.
Hayi ngangena ngathi sanibonani. Ngahlala phansi ngashalazela. Ngathola irehearsal yazo.
Starstruck uthi hayibo khona ubani la? Khona ubani?
I wasn't until I was on stage. Nakhona kwase kuyi performance yangoMay.
Yeah, ne.
Ngijoine ngoFeb. That's when ngaba starstruck. I think kwakwenziwa bengingazi ungithanda ukuthi ungithanda kangaka. Umkhisi uyabhidisa ngithi mina. Hayibo. Ngicula neJoyous.
I'm just gonna say.
And I remember I was so emotional. I was very emotional and angazi yafika that day. Ukuthi hayibo. Well, ngumuntu kaNkulunkulu sengikhohle ukuthi ngisindisiwe. I love the Lord.
Yes.
So that was like, Lord, you're so faithful, man. Yazi ngiyakuthanda ukudlala but namhlanje I'm realizing that I'm actually here.
Yeah.
This is a dream from ngisayingane. Yabolalela iJoyous from wingane.
Yeah.
You don't think ezinye zezinto zizokufikela. Also, I come from a very small town. So that day I was like, hayibo. Ngicula neJoyous. That's when I was mindful of my surroundings. Kunomnqobi lapho like, oh. And there was Uzuki next to me. I was like, oh, we are here. So yeah.
Nice. And then wathola ne chance yokuleader maybe a few songs.
I got a song, All Hail.
Nice.
Yeah, I felt like that was a big song. I remember nje ngicela ukuthi second day of the recording ngicela ukuthi ngicela mhlawumbe mina ningikhiphe. Ngizobona kahle next year ngoba ngiyafika. Uthi no, you've got this.
Ucela bakukhiphe. Uyabitoza uyasaba lapho.
Kangithukile also.
Yeah.
Ngangicabanga ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukucula. Until I got to experience rehearsal yeJoyous.
Oh yeah.
And I learned ukuthi no man. Ngika grade 3 la. Ngiyahanjwa la.
Yeah.
And from that time mase kufika mina phela ngijwayele ukucula ngale yandlela ngifika sengishelo nayizwi so that's the other reason ngicela ukuthi ngiyacela kancane mhlawumbe ningirestise kancane kwathiwa no hayi siyaqhubeka la khala siyaphambili njenge ambulance
and then wayishaya izwi lishile kanjalo
kunjalo
yes but usebenze nabobani abanye nishaya umsebenzi ubabhekhela or out maniqashiwe.
Okay, before Joyous, I had an opportunity to work with Usimpiwe Khumalo.
Oh, yeah.
He's doing his live recording, the Start Over project.
Nice.
Yes, and abantu featuring, like, remember there was Pastor Benjamin Dube. So I also got a chance to work with Pastor Benjamin Dube. There was also Snezi.
Yes.
And Unathi Mzekeli was also part of Joyous, yes. Yeah.
And I saw maybe Ntokozo.
Oh, yes. I also got an opportunity to... There was Mpumalanga Gospel Awards.
Oh, yes, something separate.
Yeah, it was part of Mpumalanga Gospel Awards. Now, we got an opportunity to work with Mtokozo Mbambo, Ngubeko Mbatha, the late Pastor Nazim. There was and Dance. There was a lot. That was around 2018.
Yeah.
No, Becca isn't very serious.
Yeah. Kwenzakalela uthi use stage kuvele kuvuka umoya maybe niya performer maybe with the Joyous mhlawumbe uwena olidayo ilento njani eculo or mhlawumbe maka ukuthi kuvuka umoya nicula kanjalo yini eyenzakalayo mhlawumbe ikhona i-rehearsal kanjalo uthi makwenzeka kuvuka umoya sokwenze njani noma yinto evele ibe spirit nje nikhere nonke njengoba usuku ubheka or mhlawumbe uwena olidayo nihandlisha kanjani leyo?
You can never plan that. It's the Holy Spirit.
Yeah.
If he wants to work, he works. No, we go to the direction where the Holy Spirit is leading.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, you're not just doing it for the sake of doing it.
Yeah.
We are led here. So if umnikazi wendaba wants people to go in that direction, that's definitely where we're going. Ukuthi program ithini.
Yeah. So iband ilibele kube ngazo
everyone participates.
Yeah.
Yes.
Up until ubuyeke usubuya kwi chorus.
Yes. Yeah, sometimes it could be to the next song. Sometimes other people would have a new song. Spirit will place a new song and they start singing a new song. And you will go in that direction. Sometimes even a song that is not rehearsed.
Yeah.
Sometimes people start praying, tongues or just a prayer changes the atmosphere. So yeah. Nothing is planned.
Any travelings from we group Joyous like overseas or other provinces?
Yes, December there was a tour.
Oh, nice.
Yes, and we went to Joburg, Mabato, Malawi.
Yeah.
Rwanda. And here in Durban.
Nice.
Yes.
Kune bus le Joyous.
Yes.
Or kune banoy le Joyous, phela Joyous kade yaqala.
Jehova abathengele ibhanoyi.
So kune bus. Yeah.
But I'm a flight now.
Yes. So nibhukelwe ke indawo. Isuke njani nje experience ngoba phela when indawo mhlawumbe ningakaze niye kuzona like eMalawi.
Yazofana nokuthi uhamba ne school trip.
Oh,
home on a school trip.
Yes.
Yeah, and more figure in the way. I think with Malawi, I was like, how nice. But I was like, Lord, I'm so grateful that I was born in South Africa.
Yeah. Kunjani kanti?
Kuhle.
All right, so.
All right now, just come on, gratitude. I'm like, I'm happy I was born in South Africa. There's certain things that engazibongi, engifeel ngathi ngiyazideserve. But you realize that I actually come from a blessed country.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Nice. So any music any shayile or leader mhlawumbe ngafuna so check online with the Joyous 28.
Just 28, yes. I am doing a song titled All Hail. All Hail.
Oh yeah.
Yes, please do check it out. The music video is also out. Yes, please.
In the music video?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Nisho Tela eThekwini?
Yes, at ICC.
Oh, nice. All right.
It's also coming back this year, April. Please do get tickets. Again, invite Ajal.
Okay, so khona into is ngayo lapha any single EP usapusha the same EP.
Pushy EP, yes,
Yeah.
yes. And also I'll be doing some church tours.
Okay, ihamba kanjani itho?
I'll be starting with
Oh,
the
you kind
church
of
tours.
starts
Yes, yes, yes.
But with the EP usuke wayipromoter maybe kwezinye indawo.
Yes, I've had radio interviews and I've had, the year started in J, I was home. I got a chance. Yes, I got a chance to sing home. And this Sunday also I was home.
Yeah.
Yes, but I'm still working on it.
Nasekhaya eMpumalanga ubu involved vele kwi esontweni with the
Yes.
yeah, and they're still supporting your music.
Till this day,
yeah.
yes. Even at home,
Yeah.
I come from a very supportive home.
Ngoba jazz esikoleni and then Afro pop or pop music. Why gospel isi kuyona ephumelelayo mawubuka with your career?
I think because it's my lifestyle.
Yeah.
As I said, I'm Christian.
Yeah.
I didn't just do gospel because
Yes.
no. It's the calling and I'm living the calling. Yes.
From ekhaya endlini.
From endlini and a personal choice.
Yes.
That this is the route that I want to take.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. So with the iletojane ke ingoma lezo siperformela yona today. Iphuma from the same EP.
Same EP. It's actually also the title of the
yeah.
EP.
Oh, nice. Irekhodwe la eThekwini last year in December.
Yes.
Ile part of the competition. Yeah. Why winner? What recorder because of the competition?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No, I'm looking forward for a performance yakho. Mhlawumbe let's say kunomuntu osibukele la creative omncane osakhula uthanda ukucula gospel. Amazwi akhaliphilo ngabapha wona angaba motivate ukuthi banga give up. Mhlawumbe ungathini?
Ukuqala nje, believe in yourself.
Yes.
And then believe in God. Ungakwenza konke, don't doubt yourself. Iqala lapho, once you doubt yourself, usuyimoshile isekho into uzoyenza. So believe in yourself, believe that you can do it, believe in your strength. Nako konke ocabanga ukuthi ungakwenza uzokwenza.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so sicela usichazele bandla akhona ama challenges obhekana nawo as an artist, a gospel artist. Manje mhlawumbe nje bakade usebenza na kwi EP yakho.
There are always challenges.
Yeah. Akanjani nje mhlawumbe?
Exploitation. And breaking out as an artist, akukho lula to get out there.
Yes.
The journey iba isikhathi eside ukudlula lesikhathi ozothola i-breakthrough yakho.
Yes.
So those are some of the challenges nokuzimela ke nje as an artist.
Yeah. Ungabi na manager kanje.
Yes, you get to events sometimes uhamba wedwa.
Yeah.
The artists noma fika kuma events they have a whole team that knows what to do.
Yes.
And because you don't know much, you will sit there bakweqa mabekweqa mhlambe kogcina wena ufike ngo6 uyohamba ngawo lo 6 ekseni. So these are things ukungazi kakhulu. These are challenges kanti mase usofika ngapha you realize ukuthi oh this is how things are done.
Yeah.
This is how I should have fana nok-invoice uzo-invoice
kanti mhlawumbe uya underquote.
You're underquota. You learn later that somebody decided to invoice more for you. Imali yami boza. What did you do? Omunye uzomlandelela ufuna imali. Yabo izinto ezikanjalo.
Yeah. So njengamanje busy ne-EP yakho ne?
Yes.
So tell us more about the EP.
So as I said, kaleni iphumile.
Yes.
So now I'm promoting it.
Okay.
Yes, I'll be doing a lot of these promotions, churches,
yes,
events. I'll be pushing so hard.
Radio.
Radio, yes. And if people have churches and they would love me to come through, please do say. You can find me on Instagram.
Yeah.
Nelly Sizwe Skosana. Facebook, Nelly Sizwe Musika Mhlanga Skosana, and TikTok. You just DM or you can send an email.
Nice.
Yes. Yes, I will be there.
Amanye ama-artists lapho ongathanda ukusebenza nawo. Amanye ama-creatives or gospel, jazz.
There are a lot.
Yeah.
But
name a few.
I'd love to work with Pastor Kaya.
Oh, nice, yeah.
I'd also love to work with
Kaya Mthethwa.
Yes, once more. And I'd also love to work with
Babale. Mhlawumbe khona
I'd love to work
uzoyibuka
with
i-creative.
Clay.
Yes.
Yo, I'd love to work. Also,
Yes.
I'd love to work with the people that are not yet abangakatholakala basingama underground.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I know most of those people are talented.
Yeah.
So that's another. Those are artists too. So I'd love to work with them.
Nice. Uke waphuma kwi-comfort zone mhlawumbe wayeka i-gospel wabuye washaya omunye umculo mhlawumbe utholakala ngala ko-afropop. Khona
Yes.
iy'ngoma ey'kanjalo wakwazenza.
Yeah, zikhona ngeke ngayirekhoda bandla.
Why uthi bandla? Kukanjani? Akuhambanga kahle.
Hayi konke akuhamba kahle kohamba kahle phela ngoba sengingapho kodwa kukhona ngingakwenza.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have also recorded a jazz gospel with a group
nice.
called The Genesis.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And there was a single I did with King XL. Yeah, and I did Deep House.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the journey is long.
Yeah.
The journey
Cishe
is long.
waqhuba ngathi piano.
Yeah, with King XL it is
Oh,
piano.
King XL benishaya ipiano.
Piano.
Yeah. Iyaphusheka nje ingoma
Iyaphuma ngase mina ngaqhubeka ke ngeze phela ngapho ka gospel.
Nice.
Amele ngiyilandelele le ndaba yazi
Mhlawumbe
wangikhumbula.
khona amasentshana akhona ngalapho.
Uyabona?
Uyabo?
Oh.
Funa ukubheka. You
Yeah.
never know. Usamba usukusurprise.
People. And angilandela yazi usungikhumbuzile.
Yeah.
Nje nginezumbulu.
So yeah, athina ama future plans mhlambe.
Future plans, I want to release more music.
Oh yes.
I do have some songs that were recorded, angaphumanga.
Yes.
And azophuma, hopefully
Yeah.
soon. Yes.
Uzobusuwa eda ku after EP.
Yeah, so I might just release them as singles.
Yeah.
But they are recorded and I have more music. Yeah.
Any shoots, music video, movie yasmida phela shoots like her.
Oh, hayi ngoba ke niyashutha. Ngicela ningimeme. Ukuthi nizongishutha. Ngikubekela kunina lokho.
So qala sikushuthe manje la nje uzosiperformela.
Hey.
Guys, siyabonga kakhulu. Masikhosana.
Thank you
Ijeni
so
yakho
much.
is so amazing.
Thank you.
Nokuthi ke uze uwine competition ungene ezintweni kanjena ngoba ngibonela ukuthi umasipala wakufaka lapha. Yo, experience usuke nayo.
Yeah, nginokubuya ngisho ukuthi mina phela angikwazi nokukhuluma ngomasipala ngoba uyangifaka into. Yabo makuthiwa amanzi awekho, yabo makuthiwa amanzi awekho masipala ngithi.
Awukwazi kusho lutho.
Yo, load reduction masipala.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
mina ngaplakeka.
No, let's do ilento jani honor. Special thanks to all the people who were involved from
Yes.
that journey.
Yes.
Ngiye ngakuzwa ubala isonto lele bekuyilona eli foundation yayi competition. Please let's thank them. Asibabonge labantu.
Firstly, I'd like to thank God.
Oh yes.
Yes. Because konke kuvela kuye ngaqala ngaye. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him.
Yes.
And then my parents. I had supportive parents from when I was young.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dad is late, but yeah.
sorry,
yes. My siblings. They're also, I come from a very supportive family.
Yeah.
So I'd love to thank my family, everyone that I consider a family. Whether you're my cousin, you're my friend, from church, whoever. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very much. All of my churches. Yeah, I have so many churches. Go nearly sees after all. So thank you so much. Discovery Church, KCC, TWT, Rebirth, all the churches. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support. Umkhandlu ngiyabonga. Oh bandla umkhandlu. Ngiyabonga
The
kakhulu.
competition was called Umkhandlu or some ID something.
Gospel Icon Discovery.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
Ngiyabonga
Yes.
nokumasipala. And
Yes.
also to my friends. I have a lot of friends. Thank you. Bonke bangani bami. Thank you so much.
Ubatshele phela ba subscribe.
Ni subscribe nize kahle.
Creative
Nize thathani lento le
Yes.
ayinabo ubungozi. And then thank you to Lunga and Palisa and Uhlengiwe.
Nice.
Oh, also thank to Umkhize. Oh my God, ngiyabonga
Oh,
kakhulu.
Khabazela.
Khabazela.
Ugcwabe kamavovo umbonezi.
Ngibonga ngipheze ngibakhohliwe ngiyaxolisa bandle ngizozama ukuthi ngelinye nginishayele shout out somewhere but ngicela ni
Nje
subscribe.
vele sibagoqe sithi nonke.
No.
Nonke.
No.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
Ningakhohlwa ukungena lapha nisubscribe njengoba desisho ku Creative Unplugged page. Sizodedela ke I-performance njengamanje. See you on the flip side.